In an N+1 uninterruptible power supply, or UPS, configuration, it's crucial to understand what exactly the N and the +1 signify. The N refers to the number of UPS units that are fundamentally required to fully support the entire load. In the scenario of a 2+1 UPS setup, the N would be equal to 2. Each of these N units, in this example the 2 UPS units, is independently capable of handling the entire load. This is a fundamental aspect of the design, ensuring that if one of the units fails, the other can seamlessly take it over and maintain continuous power to the critical load. Now, the +1 refers to the additional UPS unit that is added specifically for redundancy. It's this extra unit that provides the backup power in the event that one of the N units experiences a failure. In a 2+1 configuration, there are a total of 3 UPS units, 2 that comprise the N and 1 that is the +1 redundant unit. Typically, this +1 UPS unit is kept online but in an unloaded state, or at least operating at a very low power draw. This allows it to be ready to immediately step in should one of the primary UPS units falter. Understanding how these units operate, both under normal conditions and in failure scenarios, is key to appreciating the value of an N+1 UPS configuration. Under normal operation, all UPS units typically share the load. This means that the power demand is distributed across all the units, including the redundant +1 unit, although the +1 unit may be lightly loaded or unloaded as mentioned earlier. This sharing of the load not only provides backup power in case of a power outage from the main utility supply, but also distributes the wear and tear on the individual UPS units, potentially extending their lifespan. However, the real advantage of the N+1 configuration becomes apparent when a UPS failure occurs. If one of the N UPS units fails, the +1 UPS unit immediately takes over and begins supplying power to the critical load. This switchover is designed to be seamless, preventing any interruption of service to the connected equipment. This is crucial for sensitive applications where even a brief power outage can have significant consequences. Furthermore, the +1 UPS unit provides an opportunity for maintenance without compromising power protection. Because the 2 N units can handle the entire demand, the +1 unit can be taken offline for maintenance or upgrades without affecting the load. This ability to perform maintenance without interrupting power is a significant advantage of the N+1 configuration, as it allows for proactive maintenance and upgrades without risking downtime. The advantages of an N+1 UPS configuration are numerous. Firstly, it provides exceptional redundancy and high availability. This means that the system is highly resistant to failure and is designed to maintain continuous power supply even in the event of a UPS unit failure. Secondly, it ensures continuous power supply even in the event of a UPS failure, as the +1 unit immediately takes over. This is critical for applications where downtime is unacceptable. Thirdly, it facilitates maintenance without compromising power protection, as the +1 unit can be taken offline for maintenance without affecting the load. Finally, it supports higher load capacities than traditional 1+1 configurations. By distributing the load across multiple UPS units, the N+1 configuration can handle larger power demands than a single UPS unit or a 1+1 configuration.